Hi guys, it's been a while since I put a video on, hasn't it? And the only reason is I've just been so busy with work outdoors, you know, my general day-to-day work, that I've had very little time in the shop at all. I've stopped taking orders for knives at the moment because I just cannot really get anything done. I've got one outstanding order which I am going to start doing today. It's Saturday. I've been working on a Saturday the last month, 2 months, so I'm taking the day off today, just so I can get some forging done on this knife. Anyway, today it's all about Damascus. I cut some Damascus up, cut this up about a month ago, 3-4 weeks ago, ready to start forge welding. And what I'm going to do is I've got some old one here. I get this stuff from Precision Ground Flat Stock in the UK. It's a good company to deal with. They're pretty good at delivery. It's usually here the next day or the day after. The prices aren't bad at all, and it's good to deal with. So I've been buying my steel off them for quite a few years now, so I can recommend them. No affiliation with them at all. I've not done a twist pattern for a long time, so what my plan is, I'm going to do a twist pattern and then a flat laminate each side of the twist. I'm going to weld them together. So here we go guys, I've got 8 layers in each. They're not such big billets. I'm just trying to increase the layer count without using too much steel, so they're going in. One's a twist and one's a straight laminate. Borax will burn you. Okay, so I've drawn these guys out. I'm going to try stacks of 4, I think, on these. Little stacks of 4, which will give me what? 32 layers. I'm doing this really just as a trial run because I'm doing a collaboration with Mike Palmer of MP Custom Knives, and we're making one of his E-Dale knives, and I'm making the steel. And Mike's going to build the knife and handle it, and Robert Ratcliffe from Robert Ratcliffe Leather or Robert Ratcliffe Knives, Robert, both mates of mine. Robert's going to make the sheath for it, and Robert's sheaths are just beautiful works of art they are. So between the 3 of us, we're going to build this E-Dale knife and finish it off as a thing of beauty. So as I say, this is kind of just of a trial run for a knife which I have on order anyway. It's a clad Damascus core. My twisting jig I made some time ago. First time I really did any twisted Damascus. I've made this bit to put inside there because the hole was really a bit too big for what I do, and a small taper in there. That slides up and down, obviously, to take the correct length of the work. Don't know if this is going to work. Don't know if that is going to hold the twist. Try it, you can only try it. I'm going to go under the hydraulic press now. Get these drawn out as fast as I can. Oh, man, it is hot in here. Where are we? Here we go. 37 centigrade, 98 Fahrenheit. It's another hot one. It is hot. I've more or less finished drawing out now. I'm just going to hammer the twisted bar, knock the corners off it so I can twist it. I'll let it cool down, cut it off and grind it so it fits in the jig. So I've left that in the forge to cool down now. As it's a twist, I just want it to slowly anneal for a while and just get all them layers just nicely bonded together before we start twisting and trying to, you know, crack them open. I've taken it down to pretty much where I wanted to. I'm just going to hope that it's going to hold up in my jig without, you know, snarling out the ends when I start twisting it. But I'm not going to carry on today. It's just, yeah, it's just ridiculously hot in here. Standing by the forge, it's maybe, I don't know, it's probably about 50 centigrade. It's just too much. But it's dropped down to 38 centigrade now. It's, I've been at it about an hour and a half, something like that. So enough for today. So I've got my two billets here. That's the one I'm going to twist, and that's the straight laminate, which I've just forged. I've left it in that state. I want it thinner than that, but at the moment, if I haven't got enough material when I'm twisted and forged out, then I'm going to forge that out to twist that one, if you get what I mean. If that works out okay and I have got enough material for what I want to do, then I will forge that flat and draw it out a bit longer. I'll try and get another about 2 to 3 inches on that to give me the material I need. So let's get on and twist that. Yeah, I'm just going to drag that out a little bit more, not much, probably another inch on it, because I'm further forging it out when it's welded to the 01. I just want it a little bit thinner, but I can't go too thin because I've got to stick that to the flat laminate yet, so if it's too thin it's not going to weld properly. I can now draw out my straight laminate a bit to marry with that. Okay, so that bit of filming where you press record and your camera's already recording, so we've missed a segment, but in a nutshell, there's my twisted layer and there is my straight laminate. I'm going to forge weld these two together now, draw them out. I need to widen it a little bit, but I need about another 2 inches on this. It's fairly thick, it's about 6-7 millimeters. I can afford to go down to about 3 mil I think on this, so